I'm back again after a long time, but with a new content. I won't say it will be very interesting, but it is going to be a very useful video. So, new content means it's not an interesting content, it's going to be a very useful content. So, you might have read the caption by this now. So, it's about minor ailment. Minor ailment means I'm going to talk about acidity, so which can be treated very easily at home. Easily in the sense you need more dedication. So I would like to narrate my story, what I underwent for the past few years. So one evening, few years back, I was having chest pain. Then I told my husband, I'm not feeling comfortable, I'm not okay with that. Then he said, better to go to a doctor. Then we went to a doctor who's like our family doctor only. So then I was taken into a room for ECG testing. So there the machine was not working properly. Finally they took the graph and then they showed me, and then the doctor said, you're not okay. So what you can do, I'm giving you 2 tablets. You keep it for emergency purpose. In the night while sleeping, if you undergo such pain, you can take those medicines. Then I was worrying like anything. Actually, those medicines are for heart patients. I was treated like a heart patient only. Then we came home. I was worrying like anything. Then the whole night I was not sleeping. I told my husband that what will happen if I die. I was worrying like anything. Then next morning we woke up. Then I told my husband, better to go to another doctor. One more consultation better will take. Then we went to a very big hospital. There many specialists were there. Then I was taken into a room for again ECG purpose. So ECG they took, and then I was taken into a consultation room where the doctor was telling me, no, you have no problem, you're absolutely okay, you have only acidity. People get confused with the chest pain because both are similar, acidity chest pain as well as heart problem. So I was happy, but after coming home, within within few days I came to know that I was food whatever I'm eating, they were not getting digested properly. Then I had to undergo again medication. Medication means I am the one who is afraid of medicines. If I see doctor, if I see medicines, I'll get BP and really heart attack itself. So I am afraid of taking medicines even for fever or cold. Generally I don't get. If I get also, I avoid taking medicines. So whatever I was eating, it was not getting digested properly, So I was having all the symptoms. People who are in this world with this problem, yes, especially acidity problem, they'll have bloating, belching and burning. 3 B's. Bloating, belching and burning. 3 B's will be there. Those 3 are big big villains in our lives. So what I was thinking, okay, somehow I should overcome this. Then I started consulting some known doctor over phone, what to do for this acidity. Then he told me, avoid taking spicy food for 1 month at least. Then I stopped taking. Actually, I am very fond of spicy foods, so I stopped taking spicy foods. And then I consulted few of my friends, and they told me, you stop eating fatty foods, sugary foods, salty foods. And so I kept on see, and if you see the YouTube videos also, it will suggest you so many things. If you start listening to all the videos, you will go mad. So for this acidity especially, you have to analyze your body. That's what I told you in the very beginning of this video itself. You need dedication. So you have to analyze your body in the sense what will suit you and what doesn't suit you. So you have to put a tablet column, do's and don'ts. These are the foods if you take also no problem, and these are the foods if you touch, it will create all those 3 B's. 3 B's will come into your life again. So I started analyzing my body. So that's what, if you go to a doctor, again I am telling you, if you go to a doctor, they'll have common prescription like Oh, okay, you have the burning sensation, you have the belching, and you have bloating, then you stop eating this. Stop eating this means they'll say stop eating sugary food, stop eating spicy foods, stop eating oily foods, and then stop eating salty foods. All this, if you stop eating, then what to eat? Only you have to drink water. So what I thought, okay, this is not the solution. Then I started with the one thing. And one more thing, if you see in the videos and all, they'll say as soon as you wake up in the morning you take this, as soon as you wake up in the morning you take this. So this, that, they'll confuse you like anything. So how many things, we have only one stomach, and that too in the early morning, dumping with too many things, again that will lead to 3Bs. So what I thought, okay, let me not get into those confusing things. So first things, so like a magician I have arranged all these things. So I think you won't be able to see because at a distance. So I'll bring one by one closer to your view. So this is like a cumin seed, and this is fennel seeds, this is black cumin, this is fenugreek. 4 things I have seen, I have shown, I'm sorry. And then this is coriander seeds, and this is carom seeds, which helps you in digestion. This is carom seeds, I think you can see. I repeat, what are the 6? I told you, spicy foods are not good for health, especially for acidity, but these are the spices which will help you to overcome to some extent. I won't say completely. So to some extent it helps you. So what are the spices? Cumin, black cumin, fenugreek, fennel, carom, and coriander. These are 6 spices. So what you have to do, the first remedy I am giving you. But again I am telling you, you cannot completely get recovered from this. So you have to boil 2 liters of water, and in that each 1 spoon you have to add to the boiling water, and let it be in the stove for minimum half an hour, so that the 2 liters will get reduced to 1 liter, and then let it come to room temperature. Switch off the stove and let it come to room temperature. So what will happen then, or let it cool down, I can say. So then you have to strain the water, then keep that water in the fridge. So I won't say you take in the morning, early morning or empty stomach, it's impossible. So how many things you can take early in the morning? So you can take, better to take in the morning 1 glass, and then just add and then warm this water, and then add half lemon to it. For some people lemon will be like irritant. So that's what I told you, you have to analyze your body and then come to the conclusion. So for me lemon suits. Okay, citric acid it's not an irritant for me, so I am taking. So with half lemon and this 1 glass of water and 2 tablespoons of honey you add, and then have it in the morning. I am not saying early morning, have it in the morning. Okay, this will cool your, this is a coolant to your stomach to some extent, it will help you. Okay, again this is not the permanent solution, still I didn't reveal the permanent solution. Okay, one solution I have given you. But early morning we say, as soon as you wake up in the morning, this is what I like, what is that, my son used to call me goat. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I chew the leaves. So can you see, these are betel leaves, and these are basil leaves, and these are betel leaves. So I used to stuff these stuff like this, and then chew. Okay, and then chew. I used to take only the extract, the juice alone, and then that fiber I used to spit it out. what is it? After that, you can have plain water, glass of plain water. So that will help you in the morning. Okay, so that is as soon as you wake up. This is what I take in the empty stomach. So that's over. Then second remedy I said, this also I take. So after this, let me come to this. What are the foods you can take? Okay, so what are the fruits you can take? So papaya is what is that? Papaya is the best fruit for acidity. Papaya, and then pineapple people say don't take, but for me it suits like anything. Pineapple, and then banana I don't take, because banana if I eat, no, sometimes like ear burning sensation I used to get, so I used to avoid. But for some people it suits. So that's what I told, you have to analyze. So the analyzing skill if you have means you can overcome so easily. So mainly papaya is the best fruit, and then what is that? Pineapple for me. And then next one is tender coconut water. Tender coconut water, it will soothe your stomach like anything. See, most of this tender coconut shopkeepers know, they keep outside the hospitals. The reason is it's very good, very good. Okay, even if you take plenty of medicines along with this, what is that? Tender coconut water, really, what is it? It won't burn your stomach. So it's very good for health. But nowadays it's very costly. It's not affordable. So that's why I'm not suggesting. Okay, people who can, you can take every day one tender coconut. But again, I'm saying it's not the complete solution. Okay, still we are going closer to the solution. So first I said, this one leaves I used to chew in the morning, extract the juice, and then the spices water I told you have to boil it, and then let it cool down, strain the water, keep in the fridge. Whenever you can keep it for 4 to 5 days, whenever you want, you're not okay in this area, you can have a glass with the, I told with the lemon and honey. And then third magical food items. If I see this, I feel like eating everything. Okay, here many things I am showing you. 4 items are there. This one, sugarcane jaggery. Sugarcane jaggery, few years back and all, old people after finishing their meals and at night or in the daytime itself, they used to eat a small piece of jaggery. But I was not aware of it. Why they are taking after the food or after the meal, they are taking this, not this much big, that's it will be finished. So one small piece of jaggery, because jaggery helps in digestion. That's very important. So again, manageable. So all these are manageable items, like what is that, you can manage your acidity. But even if you go to doctor also, they will not give complete solution. They will give medicines for 3 days, Rantac, Happy Day, Happy, and then you have plenty of medicines, and then many medicines are there, because I am not taking, I am not aware of it. So those medicines will work only for 4-5 days. After that, again 1 week you will be all right. After 1 week, again the problem will get started. So what is the permanent solution? This is temporary again. Instead of taking medicines, you can take this small piece. I am sure all are jaggery lovers only. So a small piece you can eat after food. And then this is also a jaggery, but this is called palm jaggery. This is rarely available in the market, but online it is available. It is very costly. Again, it's not affordable to most of the people. So this is the best one, I can say. Everybody can buy, because kg cost very less. So this is palm jaggery, but best. But palm jaggery, they have what is it? This contains palm jaggery, dry ginger, and then pepper. All those 3 ingredients are there in this. So in this only the sweet, what is that? Jaggery. This is sugarcane jaggery. So either this will be very tasty. Again, 1 piece like a chocolate, you can take this. Okay, these and all after food if you take, I am sure you will not have the 3 Bs. Okay, 3 Bs you will not have. And this one, this is I'm sure all are aware of this. This is nothing but a ginger. This much big size ginger, if you take, no, even if you don't have acidity also, you will get that burning sensation. So a small piece only till here, just bite, okay, bite and extract the juice. Okay, within 5 minutes you'll see the miracle. Okay, that's what this is the, but it's very difficult to bite and chew. That's what first I didn't show this, because if I show this one, no, people will run away, they won't watch this video. So that's what I told you. First this jaggery, what is it, sugarcane jaggery, palm jaggery, then ginger. And this one, it's not a remedy for this. This one my favorite, that's why I'm showing you. This is peanuts. I'm very fond of this. I'm sure people who are suffering from acidity, you must be aware of this. This is dry roasted peanuts I like to have. But the moment I eat, no, after some time, like 2-3 hours, it will take, it will trouble me like anything. Okay, though I like, it troubles me. I don't know, maybe it doesn't like me. So I used to face lot of problems after eating this. 2-3 hours I used to struggle. Then after this, along with this, what I did, I started taking this, what is that, this combo, like what is that, I'm keeping sugarcane jaggery with peanuts. This combo, it is yummy. First of all, it is tasty. Okay, you mix and eat, it's a heavenly taste. As well as you will not have any problem at all. People who are suffering from acidity, perfectly can take this, absolutely no problem at all. So that is why I have kept this peanuts, because this is my favorite, like that. But if you ask doctor, no, they will say avoid pulses, avoid salty foods, avoid sugary foods, avoid oily foods. Then that's what I told you, no. One day you will blink, in your mind there will be a question mark, what to eat then. So instead of that, don't avoid anything. I will say do's and don'ts. So what are the foods which are suiting you, you can take with limited quantity, whatever it is, limited, whatever the foods you are taking. For people who are having acidity problem, don't dump your stomach. If you dump in your stomach, then your stomach will become a dustbin. That's it, that much only I can say. So don't dump. So divide your foods into portions, like instead of eating one meal, you can eat 2 meals. Divide your portions. So that way food will get digested easily. Again, that is also not a permanent problem. So like a lot of that, if you go for a party or marriage party or birthday parties or any function, you will see plenty of foods kept on the table. Naturally, all will see, what is it, even if you have acidity problem, any problem, BP or cholesterol or sugar, whatever it is, you feel like eating, isn't it? But I would like to say one thing. If you see so many items on the table, you taste from all the varieties. I'm again saying, you just taste all the varieties. Don't again dump your stomach. Okay, you taste all the varieties. I'm sure if you taste, no food will harm you, I can say. So that's what spicy food, all this. Nowadays I'm taking spicy foods, oily foods, everything with limited quantity. Absolutely no problem. For me, the only one food or one item which won't suit me is tamarind. Tartaric acid, which is the biggest enemy for me. So I am not touching that. Other than what is it, tamarind, rest all I am taking. Absolutely no problem. I am enjoying all the food. Even banana also, it's not a problem for me, but I don't like bananas. So I can take everything. Now I am going to show you next one. This one. This is the water made from all those 6 spices I showed you, no? Cumin, black cumin, fenugreek, and then fennel seeds, coriander seeds, carom seeds. That's it. So that water I am showing you. In this, just you have to warm this water, add half lemon to it, and then 2 spoons of honey. Take. Taste also, I won't say it will be awesome. It is for medicinal purpose you are taking, the taste will be like that only. The whichever is good for this, it's not good for stomach. People say like that. There is one saying. And whichever is not good for, whichever is not tasty over here, it's good for the stomach. So it's not the tastier drink. So it is good for you. So I told you, no, it will control your acidity to some extent. Can you see? I have 3 glasses. Second glass I am taking and coming. Can you see? The color itself is black. I have made from this sugarcane jaggery. Sugarcane jaggery, you have to, like 1 kg sugarcane jaggery you take, boil in, you first boil the water, and then in boiling water you add that 1 kg 1 kg sugarcane, and then maybe 250 grams ginger you add, and then again let it be on the stove for 1 hour, and then after this strain the water, you take like this, but don't take this much. You have to take before going to bed 2 to 3 spoons. Drink raw what is that, sugar cane, and then ginger extract. So this you can keep in the fridge for 6 months. So and then you take this one. This will be very, very useful. Again, this is also temporary remedy. Sorry, so too much I am talking, no, so I am blah blah, I am going. I have come to the final solution. Final solution means you can see the smile on my face. So for the final solution, I would like to show you earthen pot. Can you see? It is available in the market, or else you buy online. So this is a earthen pot. It's available in black as well as red color. I prefer to have black. So red also I have, but I like to have black. So this one. In this, I will show you this water later. Before that, I would like to tell you one thing. So afternoon meal, for the afternoon meal you have the rice, means leftover rice. If not, you cook in the evening also. That rice, what you have to do, you soak rice in water, cooked rice in water, little, what is it, 1 cup I could say. So 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice, and then soak in water, add little salt, and 4-5 spoons curd. Generally curd people they don't add, but I am asking you to add. For that I will explain you in detail. This is the final solution for acidity. If you drink this water, trust me, you will be completely recovered from this acidity forever. Your gut health, you can see your gut health is improving day by day. Okay, so your gut health is good means your health is good. That means you can say the quotation, gut health good, it means you have a good health. So that's what. First, what is that? I told you, no? Rice, soak in water, and then add little salt, and then 4-5 spoons curd. And mixing part only here very important. Mixing part means, suppose you have 4-5 members or 3 members in your home, means you have to start your testing from today onwards. So most of the people, they make idli batter, dosa batter at home. See, and people they mix it the previous night, and the next morning if you see this much batter, if you keep the level will might have got increased. Puffed, I could say. That fermented portion will be more. The fermented portion will be more. So generally the people who are having good bacteria in their hand are your savior, I could say. So in my house, if I mix this rice water, no, the fermentation is very less. it's not good for me. And my son also, my son hand also is of no use. My husband, no, if he mixes idli batter or dosa batter, next day if you see, no, the batter fluffy like anything, fermented from here till here, you could see. He is the one savior actually for me. So every day he used to mix in this and keep the lid. Throughout night the fermentation process will be happening. Next morning just extract this water, and you keep in the fridge whenever you want. The whole day you can take. So every day you take like this fermented rice water. This is called fermented rice water. Generally people don't add curd to it previous night, but I am adding because curd also has probiotic, so which is also very good. So that good bacteria, present in this is very good. And that rice fermented water has vitamin B, which is very good for acidity and digestion, everything. So all those 3 B's, they will go one after the other, or they will go together, 3 B's. So all those villains will go one day, or they will disappear. So this is the best remedy. You have to take every day. I won't say till it disappears. You keep on taking till your last breath. Then you will never face this acidity problem. And it is, highly energetic drink. If you take this in the morning or throughout day, you will feel more energetic. So this is the final remedy which I would like to share with you. This have been experimenting for the past few years, and at last I have got the solution. So this is the final solution. All those are solutions only, but they are not permanent. They are temporary solutions. This is the permanent solution. Finally I got it. And one more thing I would like to share you. Okay, after you might ask me, so if you take this rice fermented water, your gut health will you can see with your own eyes, your gut health will be improving day by day, and you will be able to eat all the food items whatever you like, again with the limited quantity, not more. So then you can enjoy your life like anything. And for one more thing, last thing I would like to tell you. So what is that? For acidity, you divide the 24 hours into 16 and 8 into 2. 16 and 8. 16 hours I am just going to consider as generally daytime means 12 hours, night time 12 hours, but I am going to consider for acidity 16 and 8. 16 hours and 8 hours. 16 hours you are awake, 8 hours you are sleeping. Okay, you are awake means these are the food items you have to take, items which will help you to overcome acidity. Okay, and if you don't take these items also, no problem. Rice fermented water alone is enough. And in the night, actually, if you ask doctor, they will say, yes, doctor, I am not able to sleep throughout night because of this. Not throughout night, for 2 to 3 hours. Even I was suffering like anything. I used to roll on the bed for 2 to 3 hours. Then after that only I used to sleep. And then what will happen? 3-4 hours only we used to sleep. The next day, because of that lack of sleep, you will have the irritation throughout day, and then that irritation will lead to again acidity, or I'll say those 3 B's. And then what will happen? Night again you won't be able to sleep. Again the next day it continues. So it's like a cyclic, day and night, day and night, day and night. Day and night means 16 by 8, 16 by 8, 16 by 8. So it continues, and there is no solution. So for that also I found, because people who are having acidity, you might have experienced, if you sleep with the elevated pillows, you will get sound sleep, I could say, or at least sleep. Then generally I used to sleep only for a few hours only. Nowadays I am sleeping for more than 6 hours or 7-8 hours I am sleeping, and this is the solution for this. This is nothing but wedge pillow. It looks like a wedge, no? I am showing you. It looks like a wedge. So this is called wedge pillow. See how much depth it is. And here, and see, it's like a slope. In this, don't use ordinary pillows and all. This is available in the market. Again, if not, I have given this in the link. So in the description box I have given, you can check out. So this one you buy lifelong, you can have sound sleep like anything. You will not have, even people who are having acidity, what they'll say, no, doctors, they used to say you have to eat 3-4 hours before going to bed. After that you have to leave your stomach empty, because food won't get digested easily. But if you use this pillow, no, actually I can tell you, even after taking your food also immediately you can go to bed. So but you have to lie on that pillow. So that is called a wedge pillow. So finally I have given I hope people who are seeing this will get benefited. And I won't say the regular dialogue. If you like my video, please please subscribe and share my video. No, if you really like my video, please share with others, so that others who are suffering from this acidity will get benefited. Even if you don't subscribe also, it's not a problem for me. So people should get benefited, because this I have gone through so many things, like what are the foods you can take, what are the foods you should not take. See, again I'm telling you, salty, sugary, oily, don't avoid completely. All are having their own nutrient value. So if you avoid completely, no, then you will end up with some other disease. This is a minor disease, so this has to be treated in this way only. I strongly say that you don't require any doctor for this, any medication for this. Just throw away all the medicines which are flooded in the market. They are just fooling us. Just throw away all those. Only two things. So daytime, 16 hours, that rice fermented water, and for the night, wedge pillow, and other things, it's up to you. You try. Okay, so these are the things I would like to tell you. And before closing this video, I would like to tell you one thing. Above all, okay, your internal mental health, internal happiness is very important. If you are an emotionally imbalanced person, I am sure it will take more time to overcome this acidity. So that's very important. Don't get irritated. Don't get irritated by small things. Okay. Emotional imbalance you have to overcome first. Then you can overcome this acidity very easily. For that you need only dedication. So that's it. That's the end of this video. I want to hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video is very useful for you. Please do follow the steps which will solve your problem, eradicate your problem completely. Trust me. Bye. One more thing I'm adding in this video. I'm sorry, I forgot to add you. I forgot to add these three waters I have shown you. Know, one is rice fermented water, the other one is spice water, and then jaggery syrup. These three things, if you want if you want me to make and show you, please comment in the box, and then in the next video I'll show you how to make those things, so that it will solve your problem completely. Though I have told you clearly, if it's not clear, you can ask me. I'm always there to help you. Bye.